did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it.
We got Benny Boy smiling like a good boy, and Shell trying to make a blanket. What do you think, Ben? You like camping? You guys like camping? I want one bark for yes. Okay, good. What about you, Shell? What about you, Shell? No, okay. Benny, I guess you're gonna steal the camera there because Shell don't want to be on it. So you like camping? You like campfires? You do? How do you like RVing? You like going in the motorhome? Well, I guess that's a big yes. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back to making dinner.